We've seen a little bit of drop off of that, but they're still steadily accumulating. This indicator's been in the green now for over a month, which is super bullish.
And so when you think about kind of where we are in the market cycle, I think a lot of people say, hey, wait, this thing ran up hundreds of percent in price. And now there's been this kind of price cooling, right? It's not still running up in this like hyperbolic way. Is there a belief that Bitcoin is just going to consolidate and go sideways again for 2 or 3 years? Or is this simply a kind of midway point where we actually see Bitcoin consolidate above this kind of $1 trillion market cap? And then eventually that is serving as that like spring or whatever to kind of push the price much, much higher through the rest of this year?
Yeah, absolutely. So I think we're in this mid cycle consolidation point, which lines up with what happened in previous cycles as well. We saw these huge run ups. All these indicators got pretty overheated, and then they drew back, and Bitcoin just was in this consolidation for weeks. Or in 2013, we saw this actual 90% decrease in between the double pump that we had. So this can go on longer than you'd expect, but it is a consolidation at the end of the day. It's impossible to predict exactly when it'll be over. I mean, we could consolidate for a few more days. We could consolidate for a few more months. But one thing to just take away is that these strong hands, these long-term holders that buy Bitcoin and never sell are continually buying. And the people that are selling are new market participants that are just getting shaken out by these moves that people who have been in Bitcoin for a long time know they're just part of the way that the market works. And so eventually we're going to get to the point where the sellers get exhausted and there's nobody else that has coins that are going to be sold. But until then, we're just sitting in this band where those coins are continually moving to these strong hands.
I think that as we continue to talk every week, the on-chain data doesn't lie, and it's incredibly bullish.